Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete a My Eyes Only snap on Snapchat. So let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your photos. After that, tap on the My Eyes Only. Now, enter your password. After that, select the snap you want to delete. Now, you will see a delete button with trash icon. Tap on it and then confirm your action by tapping on the delete snap button again. And that's it. The desired snap will be deleted from My Eyes Only.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.